Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
So start it. What are the layers of data description in R3?
The external layer, the ABAP4 layer, the database layer.
What is a data class?
Determines in which table space the table is stored when it is created in the database.
What is the function of the transport system and workbench organizer?
Function of the transport system and the workbench organizer is to manage any changes made to objects of the ABAP4 development workbench and to transport these changes between different SAP systems.
How can we access the correction and transport system?
Each time you create a new object or change an existing object in the ABAP4 dictionary, you branch automatically to the workbench organizer or correction and transport system.
What are the data types of the external layer?
The external the external layers, sorry sir, I don't know the answer.
What are the local objects?
Local objects are independent of correction and transport system.
What are the features of the ABAP4 dictionary?
The most important features are integrated to a ABAP4 development workbench and active in the runtime environment.
In the ABAP4 dictionary, tables can be defined independent of the underlying database, true or false.
True.
What is the significance of technical settings specified while creating a table in the database dictionary?
By specifying uh, by specifying technical, what was the answer? What could be the answer of the question? Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
What are the two methods of modifying SAP standard tables?
Structures and customizing includes.
Structures can be contain data only during the runtime of a program, true or false.
True.
What are the two other types of views which are not allowed in Release 3.0?
Structure views, entity views.
What is an update types with the reference to a match code ID?
Yes, the number 0 to 9 are reserved for us to create our own match code IDs for a SAP defined match code object.
What are the two different ways of building a match code object?
Match. Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
What are conversion routines?
Non-standard conversion from display format to SAP internal format and vice versa are implemented with so-called conversion routines.
Can you define a field without a data element?
Yes, if you want to specify no data element and therefore no domain for a field, you can enter data type and field length and a short text directly in the table maintenance.
How many types of views are there?
Uh, Database view, projection view, and and sorry sir, I forgot the answer of this question.
What is respiratory info systems?
Tool with which you can make data stored in the ABAP4 dictionary available.
Define external layer.
The external layer is planned at which the user the sees sees the sorry sir, I forgot the answer. Sorry sir.
Can a domain assigned to a data element be changed?
Yes, we can do so by just overwriting the entry in the field domain.
What is the difference between a structure and a table?
Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
What are the basic functions of database utility?
Database utility is the interface between the ABAP4 dictionary and the underlying the SAP system.
What is a size category?
Size category describes the probable space requirement of the table in the database.
What is a table pool?
A table pool is used to combine several logical tables in the ABAP4 dictionary. The definition of a pool consists of at least two key fields and a long argument field, var data.
How is a conversion of data types done between ABAP4 and DB layer?
Conversion between ABAP4 data types and the database layer is done within the database interface.
How can we set the table spaces and extend sizes?
Uh, Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
What is a data dictionary?
The dictionary is a central source of data. Is data to source of data in a data management system. Uh, what what the further answer is? Sorry, sir, I forgot the answer, sir.
What are the basic objects of the data dictionary?
Tables, domains, data elements, structures, and foreign keys.
A field containing currency amounts data type CURR must be assigned to a reference table and a reference field. Explain.
As a reference table, a system containing all the valid currency is assigned or any other table which contain a field with the currency key format. This field is called as reference field. The assignment of the field containing currency amount to the reference field is made at runtime. A value in the reference field determines the currency of the amount.
What is the significance of delivery class?
Delivery class controls the degree to which the SAP or the customer is responsible for table maintenance and whether SAP provides the table with or without content, determines the table types, and determines how the table behave when it is first installed at upgrade, when it is transport, and when a client copy is performed.
To how many tables can an append structure be assigned?
1.
Structures can contain data only during the runtime of a program. True or false?
True.
What are the two ways for restricting the value range for a domain?
By specifying fixed values and by stipulating a value table.
The data of a view is not physically stored but derived from one or more tables. True or false?
It's true.
What is the max no of match code IDs that can be defined for one match code object?
A match code ID is a one character ID that can be a letter or a number.
What are the update types possible?
The update types are what the answer? Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
Can you delete a domain which is being used by data elements?
No.
Can you delete data element which is being used by table fields?
No.
What is a view?
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
What are the basic functions of database utility?
The basic functions of database utility are: first, create database objects; second, delete database objects; third, adjust database object to change ABAP4 dictionary definition.
Define ABAP4 layer.
The ABAP4 layer describes the data formats used by the ABAP4 processor.
How many types of size categories and data classes are there?
Sir, sorry, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
What are pool tables?
These are logical tables which must be assigned to a table pool when they are defined. Pooled tables can be used to store control data, such as screen sequences or program parameters.
Define database layer.
Database layer describes the data formats used in the database.
What are control tables?
Sorry, sir. I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
What is a table cluster?
A table cluster combines several logical tables in the ABAP4 dictionary. Several logical rows from different cluster tables are brought together in a single physical record. The records from the cluster tables assigned to a cluster are thus stored in a single common table in the database.
How is conversion of data types done between ABAP4 and external level?
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
What is the function of the correction system?
The correction system manages changes to internal system components such as object of the ABAP4 dictionary.
What are the aggregate objects in the data dictionary?
First, views, second, match codes, third, lock objects.
What is the significance of technical settings specified while creating a table in the data dictionary?
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
What is the max number of structures that can be included in a table or structure?
It is 9.
If a table that is to be extended contains a long field, we cannot use append structure. Why?
Long fields in a table must always be located in the end as the last field of the table. If a table has an append structure, the append line must also be on the last field of the table.
What are the aggregate objects in a dictionary?
View, match code, lock object.
What is a match code?
Match code is a tool to help us to search for data records in the system. Match codes are an efficient and user-friendly search aid where key of a record is unknown.
What is an update type with reference to a match code ID?
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
What are the differences between a database index and a match code?
First, match code can contain fields from several tables whereas an index can contain fields from only one table. Second, match code objects can be built on transparent tables and pooled and clustered tables.
What is the function of a data element?
A data element describes the role played by a domain in a technical context. A data element contains semantic information.
What are null values?
If the value of a field in a table is undefined or unknown, it is called a null value.
What is locking?
Sorry, I do not answer of this question, sir.
Which objects are independent transport objects?
Domains, data elements, table, technical setting for tables, secondary index for transparent tables, structures, views, match codes objects, match code IDs, lock objects.
What are the data types of the ABAP4 layer?
Sir, sorry, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
What is a development class?
Related objects from the ABAP4 repository are assigned to the same development class. This enables you to correct and transport related objects as a unit.
What are the uses of the information in the data dictionary?
The following information is directly taken from the data dictionary. First, information on fields display with F1 helps. Second, possible entries for fields display with F4 help. Third, match code and help views search utilities.
ABAP4 dictionary contains the logical definition of the table.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
What is a table attribute?
The table's attribute determine who is responsible for maintaining a table and which types of access are allowed for the table. The most important table attributes are: first, delivery class; second, table maintenance allowed; third, activation type.
What is the difference between a structure and an append structure?
In a case of a substructure, the reference originates in the table itself in the form of a statement include. In a case of an append structure, the table itself remains unchanged and the reference originates in the append structure.
Can we include customizing include or an append structure with pooled or cluster tables?
No.
What are the base tables of an aggregate object?
The table making up an aggregate object, primary and secondary, are called aggregate object.
What are the two levels in defining a match code?
Match code object and match code ID.
Can match code objects contain IDs with different update types?
Yes.
What is the function of a domain?
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.